Hey, good morning. I'm just going to go over the exit ticket just so we are clear on how to do the exit ticket. I already started by underlining the two ratios that we're comparing. So ratio number one is the rate that the 6th grade math teacher can grade assignments. And then ratio number two is what we're comparing her speed to, okay? So for ratio number one, she's grading 25 homework assignments in 20 minutes. So if I wrote it just as a regular ratio, I would have 25 homework assignments in 20 minutes. And in class, we've been writing the ratios as fractions. So we can have 25 homework assignments over 20 minutes. When we're finding the constant rate of anything that requires time, time is always going to be my denominator, okay? And then for ratio 2, we can write it as a regular ratio. It goes straight into the fraction, 36 homework assignments in 30 minutes. So the whole point of the lesson was to find the unit rate. So I want to figure out how many homework assignments we're solving in 1 minute. So to go from 20 to 1, 20 divided by 20 makes 1. So to find my numerator, I gotta do 25 divided by 20. I'm gonna use my calculator real quick. 25 divided by 20 is 1.25 homework assignments. So in 1 minute, she can grade 1.25 homework assignments. That's impressive. And for ratio number 2, we want to figure out how many assignments you can grade in 1 minute with the second ratio, right? So to go from 30 to 1, we're dividing by 30. 30 divided by 30 equals 1. So we need to also divide by 30 in the numerator. So 36 divided by 30 equals 1.2 homework assignments. So the question is she working faster or slower than the second ratio? I know that when I have ratios, when I have two numbers that I'm comparing and the decimals don't have all the same places, I can always add an invisible 0 after the decimal place. So I can clearly see that 1.25 is a bigger number than 1.2 or 1.20. So I know that my answer is, I'm writing a complete sentence. The math teacher is working at a faster rate. A really good sentence would have the unit rate in the sentence, but just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Just answering the sentence directly, where she's just working at a faster rate. The best sentence would be the math teacher is working at a rate of 1.25 homework assignments per minute, which is faster than the rate of 1.2 homework assignments per minute. Thanks. Let me know if you have any more questions, okay? Bye.